Remember when going out to eat meant piling into the family car, sliding into a red vinyl booth, and ordering a slice of warm pie from a smiling waitress who knew your name? Well, sugar. That was my world. I've poured coffee, plated meatloaf, and watched America change, one booth at a time. Let me take you back to where it all began. Diners got their start in the late 1800s, not as buildings, but as wagons. That's right. A man named Walter Scott in Providence, Rhode Island, began selling sandwiches and coffee out of a horse-drawn wagon in 1872. The idea caught on quick. People needed affordable, fast meals, especially workers on the night shift. By the 1920s, diners were prefabricated structures, made in factories and shipped by rail. They looked like railroad cars, which is why people called them dining cars or diners. Some of those old models, they're still standing today. Back then, you could get a hot roast beef sandwich for 25 cents, a cup of coffee for a nickel, and a whole breakfast, eggs, bacon, toast, for under 50 cents. The menu was simple: ham and eggs, meatloaf, and mashed potatoes, tuna melts, creamed chipped beef on toast. We called it SOS, but I'll let you guess what that meant. And don't forget the pies: apple, cherry, coconut cream, fresh baked every morning. By the 1950s, diners were booming. After the war, families had cars, money in their pockets, and a hunger for community. Booths became sacred spaces, places where first dates happened, birthday Sundays were served, and every Friday night ended in a booth with fries and a milkshake. I wore a crisp uniform, white apron, and always carried extra straws in my pocket. We didn't have touchscreens, just order pads and hustle. The 70s and 80s brought more change. Menus expanded, omelets, Greek platters, even tofu showed up in California. We started staying open 24/7 in many places. Midnight crowds, college kids, and truckers kept us busy. But it wasn't just food, it was comfort. People came for the conversation, the jukebox tunes, and a familiar face behind the counter. These days, diners have evolved. Sure, you'll still find meatloaf, but now it might be gluten-free. Avocado toast sits next to grilled cheese. Some places serve lattes and vegan chili, but the heart's the same. Prices? Well, let's just say that breakfast will run you $12 instead of 50 cents. But folks still come in looking for that feeling, that taste of something timeless. Booths still cradle conversations. Desserts still tempt from spinning cases. And I'm still here. Maybe not in person, but in spirit, with a pot of hot coffee and a story to share. So next time you pass a shiny chrome diner, stop in. Slide into a booth, order a slice of pie, and remember when. Because diners weren't just places to eat. They were where America came home, one plate at a time. Look at the description below for 10 classic diner recipes and bring back that nostalgic feel to your dinner table. And be sure to subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss any of our Through the Decades stories.